Let's start up with the CPU, shall we? For the CPU, we are going with Intel Pentium Gold G5400, which costs around $74. It has 4 threads, 2 cores, 4 overclock. It is going to be clocked at 3.7 GHz. I'm not a huge fan of Intel as much as I'm hyped for Ryzen, but still I suggest this CPU as it is a budget-friendly CPU and is good for entry-level gaming. For the motherboard, we are going with MSI's H310M, which costs around $55. It has 2 RAM slots, 3 PCIe slots, and 1 direct and 2 with riser cables. For the RAM, we are going with Corsair Vengeance LPX, which costs around $69. For mass storage, we are going with the classic choice, which is WD's 1TB hard drive. For the graphics card, we are going with MSI's GTX 1050 Ti, which costs around $199. It is the single most costly part of this build and is good for entry-level gaming. For holding these parts, we need a case, and for which I chose the Cooler Masters Masterbox Lite 3.1. Power will be supplied by Corsair's CXM 450 watt power supply, which costs around $46.